Hi guys, it's Family Driver here again. As you know, BMW's M135i's and M140s don't come as standard with the spare wheel. I don't know how you guys, but I don't feel comfortable carrying with me a repair kit. I think this solution isn't bulletproof. You know, if you slice your tire, if the damage is bigger than just a small puncture, I don't think it would work. Also during the winter, the tend to not work very well. So I decided to buy myself a spare wheel. Obviously, because there's no space in the boot for the spare wheel, you have a couple of options. You might just buy another alloy wheel, which will have a full spare. You might go with the slim version. I believe there is one, but it's quite expensive, and when you're looking for one, you have to be careful because obviously the m-lites, they have very big brakes, and the problem with that is that if you buy a spare wheel or even normal alloy wheel from one series, they just won't fit because of the brake calipers being too big. There's not enough clearance. So there is a cheaper option, which I gone with. So I bought a spare wheel, a steel wheel, for the BMW X1, which is a bit narrower. And it was extremely cheap. I think I paid about £45 with delivery, and that's new. And with that, I went to Quick Fit and I bought the cheapest possible summer tire, and I went with the slimmer tire, which is 205 instead of 225 or 245, depending on where it's going. So I've got 205. Obviously, when you're going with the narrower wheel, you have to make sure that you still have the same diameter of the tire. Therefore, I have to go with the different tire. I'll show you which tire it is in a moment. You know, overall, I think I paid about 45 quid for a tire with fitting and about 45 quid for a wheel. Therefore, I paid only about 90 few pounds, which I think was a bargain. To be honest, I'm not carrying a lot of things with me in this car, so I'm not too bothered about carrying it in the back. I will show you in a moment how it looks and how much space does it take. Apart from that, you know, I'm quite happy with the solution. In terms of slim spare wheels, space savers, you can get them, like I said before, but they tend to cost about even if you go to BMW, you probably will pay about 300 quid. So I think for me, that's just too much. So let's just go at the back and I'll show you what wheel and tire do I have. So as you could see, it's not too bad. Some of you might think it takes too much space. I'm not bothered. I don't have prams or anything like that. Usually my boot is pretty empty, so I'm not really bothered with that being in there. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you shortly. Bye.